Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Garden Faithfully. I'm Bob, and gardening has become my sanctuary, a place where I connect with God's creation and witness the wonders of the natural world. There's something profound about working with nature instead of against it. Today, we're digging into a lesson my garden has taught me, the power of patience. 2021, my rookie year, was a humbling experience. I'm still very much a rookie at gardening, so there's that. I wanted instant results, a flourishing garden overnight, but nature doesn't operate on our schedule. Seeds didn't always sprout, pests attacked my tender seedlings, weeds ran rampant, and some plants just refused to cooperate. Obstacles were everywhere. Gardening, like life, teaches us to wait. It's a humbling reminder that just as a tiny seed needs time and the right conditions to break through the soil, our faith and dreams often need time to mature. And waiting isn't passive. It's a time for learning, for understanding. The Bible is rich with stories of patience, and the garden gives us ample opportunity to practice it. The parable of the sower, remember, reminds us that not every seed will immediately bear fruit. Some land on rocky ground, some get choked out, others are snatched away. But those that fall on good soil, they take root and thrive in God's perfect timing and providence. My garden became a training ground for trust. I learned to nurture my plants, to believe that even when things looked discouraging, new life was possible. The garden was teaching me to slow down, to appreciate the present, and to have faith in God's unseen work. If you're feeling discouraged in your garden or in life, hold on to the hope that Jesus has merited for you. Keep watering those seeds of faith, nurture your dreams, and remember, patience isn't just a virtue, it's the seed itself. When planted and exercised in faith, it can yield blessings beyond measure. Thanks for joining me today on Garden Faithfully. In our next episode, we'll tackle the importance of planting in the garden and in life. Remember to always garden faithfully and faithfully garden. Until next time, may your gardens and your faith grow stronger every day. Thank you so much for digging into this with me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming episodes. Let's continue this journey together, growing our gardens and our faith. Sol Deo Gloria.